Vaginal discharge is a topic that often sparks curiosity and sometimes even worry. It's something that many people experience, yet it's rarely talked about openly. This can lead to a lot of questions and concerns. Many people experience discharge and wonder if it's normal. The good news is, in most cases, it is completely normal. Vaginal discharge plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the vagina. The truth is, vaginal discharge is a completely natural and healthy bodily function. It helps to keep the vagina clean by removing dead cells and bacteria, preventing infections. Just like our bodies produce sweat and saliva, the vagina produces discharge. This is a sign that your body is working properly. The amount and type of discharge can vary throughout your menstrual cycle. It's nothing to be embarrassed about, and understanding what's normal can save you unnecessary anxiety. By learning more about your body, you can feel more confident and empowered. This essay will guide you through the basics of vaginal discharge, helping you understand its purpose and what different types of discharge might be telling you about your vaginal health. We'll cover the different colors, consistencies, and what they might indicate. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your body is the first step towards taking good care of it. By being informed, you can make better decisions about your health and well-being. Vaginal discharge, in simple terms, is a fluid that's produced by the glands in your vagina and cervix. Think of it as a housekeeping team working behind the scenes to keep your vagina clean and healthy. This fluid carries away dead cells and bacteria, preventing infections and maintaining a healthy pH balance in your vagina. It's your body's natural way of protecting and cleaning this sensitive area. The amount of discharge you experience can vary depending on your menstrual cycle, stress levels, and even the medications you might be taking. It's perfectly normal for the amount to fluctuate throughout the month. Typically, discharge is clear or milky white and may have a faint odor, which is nothing to be concerned about. Think of it like the natural scent of your skin. It's usually subtle and not unpleasant. Section 4. Decoding the colors and textures of discharge. While clear or milky white discharge is generally considered normal, changes in color, consistency, or odor can sometimes signal an issue. For instance, thick white discharge, especially if accompanied by itching, could indicate a yeast infection. Yellow or green discharge, particularly if it has a strong odor, might be a sign of a bacterial infection. Section 5. When to seek medical advice. It's important to remember that this is just a general guide, and self-diagnosing is never a good idea. While it's good to be informed about your health, only a medical professional can provide an accurate diagnosis. If you notice any significant changes in your discharge, such as a change in color to gray, green, or yellow, it could be a sign of an infection or other health issue. Additionally, a fishy odor can be an indicator of bacterial vaginosis or other conditions that require medical attention. If you experience itching, it could be due to a yeast infection or another type of irritation. Burning or pain, especially during urination or intercourse, should not be ignored as they can be symptoms of more serious conditions. It's crucial to consult your healthcare provider if you experience any of these symptoms. They have the expertise to determine the underlying cause. Your healthcare provider can recommend the appropriate treatment, whether it's medication, lifestyle changes, or further testing to ensure your health and well-being. Section 6. Listen to your body, take charge of your health. In this section, we will explore the importance of being in tune with your body and understanding its signals. Understanding your body and its natural processes is key to maintaining good health. This means taking the time to educate yourself about how your body works and what it needs to function optimally. Vaginal discharge is a normal and essential bodily function that plays a crucial role in keeping your vagina healthy. It helps to clean and protect the vaginal area by removing dead cells and bacteria. By paying attention to your discharge and knowing what's normal for you, you can identify potential issues early on and seek timely medical advice. Keeping a health journal can be a helpful way to track any changes and discuss them with your healthcare provider. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your body is the first step towards taking charge of your health. Embrace self-care routines and regular checkups to ensure you stay informed and proactive about your well-being.